I see a fish up on that point, dude.
Where, on your graph?
No, with my eyes. Right in there. Got him.
Sick, dude.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dishes and Fishes, where I show you how to cook and set hooks. We are locked and loaded, got the truck camper all hooked up to the boat. Not exactly sure where we're staying tonight. We just know that we're going to a lake in upstate New York in the Adirondacks. A little chilly up there, but that's the beauty with these truck setups. We're gonna just kind of wing it and find a spot when we get up there. I'm gonna camp up there in the Adirondacks tonight, go fishing in the morning, then head back tomorrow. It's kind of the gist of our plans. Let's get on the road. All right, we have reached our destination. Time to get this baby set up. We're camping out. It's April in New York. It's a little cold, 46 degrees right now, but it's actually pretty cozy in here. I had to upgrade my heater. My battery and inverter didn't work, so I had to buy a little propane heater. Heats it up in here really, really good. We're gonna go fishing in the morning. We're gonna grill some steaks right now and chill, pass out, see how it goes.
Tongs right there. Dude, check out the quality of those tongs. They're $5 on. Dude, they're quality.
That's on high too, by the way. Is this all the salt you got?
Dude, we're sleeping in trucks. What are the chances you drive almost 4 hours away from home and you find a random spot to sleep? I mean, what are like
95%.
I couldn't believe the quality of the tongs. I think they're $3.95.
He said the quality of the tongs.
Oh, Walmart did good.
Walmart respects you. So I'm in the truck right now. It's actually pretty cozy in here. I got a t-shirt and shorts on. Got this propane heater in the corner. I'm gonna turn it off here in a second. Just got it on to kind of get back on this chill a little bit. It's like 39 degrees out now, but you know how in Alone where they like heat rocks and bring them into their sleeping bag? I had this hilarious vision that this roof would heat up and keep me warm all night. We'll see how cold it gets, but I'm cozy right now. Hopefully we catch some fish in the morning. Well, we made it through the night. A couple things I learned. One, wear socks when you go to sleep. It was god-awfully cold last night. I woke up several times, turned the propane heater on, got warm, turned it off, went back to sleep, and then I just repeated the process about 3 times. Park your truck on a level slope. Clouded myself. I was like climbing a mountain all night long. Made it work, but feel great. Just make sure you don't do that. Other than that, not the best night, not the worst night. About 6 out of 10. Ready to catch some fish, so let's do this. So right now, I'm just slow rolling a little green Kitech. We're fishing a nice little rocky slope in the sun. I'm thinking they're coming up into this little sunny flat here. We got 43-degree water temps. That one felt decent. Come here. That's why I love smallies, they just stack up. As soon as I started fishing in the sun, dude, I say if this peters out, we hit that point right in the sun over there.
What was that?
My GoPro. Gone.
Deep.
I see a fish up on that point, dude.
Where, your grab?
No, with my eyes. Right in there. Got him.
Sick, dude. Kitech? Oh.
Wind picked up again. Hoping that the jerkbait bite will turn on. It might still be a little too early up here, but praying. Wind picked up quite a bit, so I'm throwing the drop shot now. Wasn't supposed to be this windy. So the wind really started to pick up out here. I'm gonna try something a little heavier. This little spider grub, little tiny finesse bait. I'm gonna try to keep hitting these rocky sunny points. Eventually my trolling motor stopped working. I think it was a battery issue from the cold combined with not charging it overnight. So we pulled over to this small island, grilled some more ribeyes obviously because that's the smart thing to do. Caught a few fish. I did catch some on my GoPro before I got out my big camera, but that footage is at the bottom of the lake. My buddy caught a few, but my camera wasn't on that boat. All in all, it was a fun day. Didn't catch quite as many fish as we hoped, but was still fun and was still a great way to test out my truck. So that's it, guys. If you like these videos, be sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons, and I'll catch you in the next episode.